I'm choosing to read Emily Dickinson's I Measure Every Grief I Meet, and I'm choosing to dedicate it to Major Anuj Sood of the 21 Rashtriya Rifles, who recently lost his life in an encounter in the Valley of Kashmir. The Valley of Kashmir, where pains do not abate and griefs only exacerbate. Dickinson poignantly asks if any balm could heal the thousands of years of harm. I Measure Every Grief I Meet by Emily Dickinson. I measure every grief I meet with narrow, probing eyes. I wonder if it weighs like mine, or has an easier size. I wonder if they bore it long, or did it just begin? I could not tell the date of mine. It feels so old a pain. I wonder if it hurts to live, and if they have to try, and whether could they choose between. It would not be to die. I note that some gone patient long at length renew their smile, an imitation of a light that has so little oil. I wonder if when years have piled some thousands on the harm that hurt them early, such a lapse could give them any balm. Or would they go on aching still, through centuries of nerve, enlightened to a larger pain, in contrast to the love? The grieved are many, I am told. There is the various cause. Death is but one, and comes but once, and only nails the eyes. There is grief of want, and grief of cold, a sort they call despair. There is banishment from native eyes, in search of native air. And though I may not guess the kind correctly, yet to me, a piercing comfort it affords in passing Calvary. To note the fashions of the cross and how they mostly worn, still fascinated to presume that some are like my own.